Hi friends, I'm Jayasankar of 9th Standard from Little Flower Public School, Muringoor. Have you ever heard of black holes? Have you ever heard of cosmic mysteries? Today I would like to talk about the only photograph of a black hole that humans have ever captured. A black hole is a cosmic body whose gravitational pull is so strong that no particle, even light, can escape it. This photograph of a black hole was taken on 10 April 2019 using the Event Horizon Telescope. The supermassive black hole is present at the core of a supergiant elliptical galaxy called Messier 87. This black hole's mass is equal to 7 billion suns. And to clarify, our sun's mass in kilograms is 2 followed by 30 zeros. Now try to imagine the size of this black hole. One can never take a photograph of a black hole as it does not emit or reflect light. It is only possible by capturing their silhouettes against their glowing surroundings. Have you ever heard of light bending? Probably no, but around a black hole, light does bend. A black hole is formed when a star with 3 or more solar mass dies. But this supermassive black hole is formed due to the merging of 2 or more black holes. Humans have much more to learn about black holes, but right now, black holes still remains a cosmic mystery. Thank you.